Hello everybody and welcome to the Third Beard Fishing Channel. In today's video, we're going to do a highlight video. We haven't done one in about 2 months, and I try to do one about every 2 months. So this is going to be highlights from the last 2 months. So that'll be July and August of 2024. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get it going. Before we begin this awesome video, I want to show you guys something. My views are mostly from non-subscribers, about 86%. So if you guys are watching this and you are not subscribed, please take the time to subscribe. It really helps out the channel and I greatly appreciate your subscription. Now, back to this awesome video. So in the beginning part of July, I did some surf fishing and I was lucky enough to catch a number of critters. Could be. Sometimes it's hard to tell. I feel bumps now. I don't know what those bumps were, but that felt fishy. I think we got a fish. We got a fish. Woo! We got a fish. And it's a whiting. Yay! It's not a catfish. It is not a catfish.
Sorry, I'm in the video.
No, you're good. Woo! Good head shake.
Good fish?
It doesn't feel super heavy, but I definitely got some head shakes.
That's good. Hopefully it's not a cat.
Yeah. Oh. Nope, I don't think it is. Is it? I don't think so. Well, it might be. It's a big one. Oh, it's a shark. There we go. Nice little black tip. You can tell it's a black tip. It does not have the little black tip right here on the anal fin, which is indicative of a black tip shark. If it did have the black tip around here, it would be a spinner shark. So I'm gonna get this guy back in the water. Beautiful, beautiful species. First shark of the day. Hallelujah. Look at those rays. Big rays right here. Oh, there's a couple of them over there too. That's cool. Look how close I am to these things. So neat. Are those cownose? Those might be. Actually, no, they might have spots. I can't tell. Wow, that's neat. That's awesome. I also got to do some snook fishing on Turkey Creek, which I've always wanted to do. Yeah! Man. Yeah, folks, first fish, like 4th or 5th cast of the day, and already got a snook in Turkey Creek. That's my first Turkey Creek snook. Yeah, buddy. There we go. Oh, snook number 2 for the day. Little one, very pretty. Yeah. In mid-July, we decided to go out and try a new shark spot. And we had tried it before with just casting the rods out and we had no luck. So we decided to see if maybe getting the baits way further out in the river would get us some luck. So I brought out the kayak and we dropped out baits. So this was the first time I've ever dropped baits with the kayak. Turns out that was the recipe for success at this spot. And we have had successful times every time we've gone out. Maybe not landing the shark, but we've definitely had multiple bites every time. I absolutely went ham on some Mayan cichlids, which are an invasive species here in Florida. I went out and caught a whole mess of them for some shark bait out in Turkey Creek. That'll do, pig. That'll do. Nice for me. Mayan cichlid right here. Beautiful Mayan. Well, turn into the sun so you can see it. I love this spot with the teal around it. So pretty. There we go. Another good size one. Oh, no. Oh, scape. Dang, got loose. In early August, I was able to add something I've really wanted to the shark fishing kit. I was able to purchase a FD1 Swell Pro bait drop drone. So now I'm able to pick up my baits and drop them really far away, including over the breakers out on the beach, so I can get them out where the big sharks are. And as also at the new shark spot that I've been fishing, I can take them out without having to kayak them out, and it's super quick. I can get them out there really fast, drop them, and get back without really having to do much. So it's really awesome. Something I've wanted for a while. I was also able at the same time to add my very first conventional setup to my shark fishing gear. This will be my third official shark setup and my very first conventional shark reel. This is a Penn Squall 50 VSW shark rod, and it's a 2-speed reel, and I'm really excited about having it, and I was very excited about getting it out there and getting it on sharks. I got my very first chance to test out both the drone and the VSW, and it went really smoothly. However, let's just say the first bite was really strange. So let's take a look at that. Here we go, folks. Woo! Probably don't want that. Big shark on. Put some drag up. There we go. Start bringing this guy in now. Oh man, I can't get this out. There we go. Alright, we're out. Is he still on? I can't tell if he's on or not. He's swimming towards me. Did I lose him? I don't feel him anymore. So somehow, between the time that I picked it up out of the rod holder and put it on my chest, I had lost the shark. Alright folks, I just threw the cast net and caught this fish. This is not a fish you want to mess with. It has venomous spines on the top, and I believe it does on the bottom. I'm seeing them. This is called a leatherjack, and it is a very dangerous fish to mess with. So we're going to release this. We're not messing with this. It's not going to be a bait fish. Oh my gosh, guys, you'll never guess what I caught in the cast net. It's a baby bonefish. Holy crap on a cracker. Hold on, buddy. Let me get you out of here. Oh, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get him out. It's going to tear his gill plates up. Shoot. Hold on, buddy. I'm trying. There we go. Look at that. A baby bonefish in the cast net. That's crazy. Let's get him back in the water, see if I can revive him. Come on, buddy. You can make it. I didn't even see you in there. Oh, come on. Come on. He's still alive. He's still kicking. Come on. Let's go with the current here. Come on. Just keep getting some water in those gills. We're just gonna sit here for a minute, y'all. We can't revive this little guy. Come on. He's still breathing. He's starting to kick a little bit now. Alright, come on. Come on, you can do it. You're getting there. You're starting to get some strength back. There you go. There you go. There you go. Alright, man. He's still struggling a little bit, but he's actually upright and he is kicking now, so he's right down there. Wow, that's my first bonefish. We're on. Yep. Yeah, we're on. Oh yeah. Finally got a hit on my shark rod here. Oh, what is this? What species do we have? Oh. Species we got. Is this a nurse shark? Yes, it's my first nurse. Yes! It's a nurse shark, y'all. I got to go on my very first offshore fishing trip, and it was amazing. I got to see things like these awesome nurse sharks, and I got to catch some pretty amazing fish. Check these out. I finally was able to get back out on the kayak and do a little bit of fishing and was successful, and I ended up catching some black drum, including my personal best. In here. Fish on here. Yep. Yep. Oh, and it is a drum. It's a big one. Wow. Holy smokes. This could be a keeper. Just play him carefully. Wow. All right, that is a PB for sure on this fish. All right, let's get him measured real quick. Make sure I don't lose my phone. All right, he is legal. He's slot. He is 20-inch black drum. 20-inch black drum. Sweet. I also caught my first bass since 2009 in a little backyard canal behind my house. Had a lot of fun playing around with those things. Oh, fish on. Got one. Finally got one. Oh, yes. Yeah, there we go, folks. First bass in Florida. Little largie. Well, I'm assuming that's a largemouth or a Florida bass. Tiny baby one. Yay, finally, my gosh. I have been trying to catch one for a while. Boy, he nailed that. That's funny. Oh my gosh, it took me forever, but apparently the paddle tail is where I needed to get this to work. Sweet. All right. Get this off here. Get this done real quick. There we go, folks. Nice little bass, backyard bass. Getting back in the water. Fish on. Wow, got him. That's what I thought. I knew there would be one right there in that deep water. All right. There we go. Right there at that pipe. And he wanted that. Oop. Yeah, buddy, he wanted that. Boy, he ripped it all to pieces. It's a little bit bigger. That's probably a 12. Alright folks, so even in the tiniest of canals in the state of Florida, you can catch bass and all kinds of fish. So really cool. This is right here in my backyard, my little backyard canal, and caught ourselves a little dink bass. Beautiful, no spots at all. Awesome fish. It's pretty cool. To finish out the month, I finally got to break in the VSW shark rod by catching a shark.
Oh, there he is. Yeah, that's
Alright, good. Now, back in the water. It was a fantastic end to a great month of fishing. Hope you guys will join us for more. Alright everybody, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I would just like to go back through and just take a look at everything that's happened in the past couple months. It's always nice to see the stuff that I've caught and just go back over those memories. It's really fun. We're about to get started on some other really cool fishing projects and fishing trips. The mullet run is just starting here, so there's going to be some really heavy, good fishing on the beach. So you're going to be seeing a lot of that coming up pretty soon, and I can't wait to share that with you. And I've got some more shark fishing stuff coming up too, so I can't wait to share that with you as well. So hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll see you guys back on the water. Take care. Hello everyone. If you could, I'd love for you guys to check out my father-in-law's YouTube channel. It's a YouTube channel that I also edit videos for called Bearded Lumber. They are a full-service sawmill and kiln channel, and they are an amazing channel. I hope you guys will check them out. The link is in the description of this video, so check them out. You'll really enjoy this YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching Third Beard Fishing. Here's a video selection and a playlist suggestion, and feel free to subscribe here. Thank you.